criminal damage, tutorial number 11. And just to put it in context, so far we have had 10 tutorials which have introduced the basics regarding criminal law, so mens rea, actus reus. We then looked at offenses against the person. We looked at the homicide offenses, so murder. And then we looked at involuntary and voluntary manslaughter. In between, we threw in some defenses, some general ones, and some that are specific for homicide. So today, criminal damage, we've moved on to the property offenses. So at least murder and all that is behind us now, property offenses. In terms of our objectives, pretty straightforward. Our knowledge objectives, literally to understand and to be able to navigate the statute. I'm hoping that in your preparation, you looked at your statute books and that you picked out how many offenses are possible under sections 1, 2, and 3 of the Criminal Damage Act. How many did we spot? Okay, so Rhiannon is saying 6.
The notes say 5, but there appears to be 6.
Appear to be 6.
It depends how you define them.
Yeah.
Okay, how did you define your 6? What are your 6 offenses, Rhiannon?
So, like basic criminal damage,
Okay.
aggravated criminal damage.
Okay, so basic criminal damage, that's section?
1-1.
Okay, so section 1.1. Good.
Aggravated criminal damage 1-2.
Okay, aggravated criminal damage, section 1.2. Good.
The basic arson.
Okay. And the section?
So that's 1-3 with 1-1.
So section 1.1
Yeah.
and 1.3. Good.
And then aggravated arson.
Good.
So that's 1-1. Sorry, 1-2 with 1-3.
Yeah.
Threats. Threats to damage.
Okay. So threats and the section?
2.
So section 2.
And then possession. Yeah.
And then possession, and presumably that's section 3. 6.
Have you missed any out?
I think you have. Look at section 2 and section 3. Is it just one offense or are there more? I think there are more.
There's different ways you can do it.
Uh-huh.
So, with threats, you can destroy other people's, or threat to destroy other people's, or threat to destroy your own.
Yeah.
In a way likely to endanger life. Does that count as a different offence?
I think so.
Okay.
I mean, and I think the clue there is at the end of A, there's or.
Yeah, it's got like 2 different actus reus.
Yeah.
So it's different offences.
Yeah, 2 different offenses. So here, in terms of threats, section 2, you'll have 2A, and then you'll have 2B. 2A being the basic, the equivalent to the basic,
Yeah.
and then 2B is the equivalent to the aggravated. And the same thing applies here. 3A is the equivalent of the basic, and then 3B the equivalent of aggravated. So 8
So, yeah,
offenses in total. Okay? So at least that's something to watch out for, especially the aggravated. Those seem to creep on students and they miss out on spotting them. Okay, in terms of preparation, I'm hoping that you looked at the 3 scenarios, Martin, and all the things that he has been doing. You'd be surprised how just one evening can give rise to potentially so many offenses. And I'm hoping that you looked at the e-tutorial and you have corrected yourself if you went wrong,
I can actually
etc.
find the e-tutorial, maybe that was just me.
He was there. Did
Was
you?
it? Okay, I'll have a look more closer.
Yeah, it's there. It's there. Yeah, and it's very interactive, so it should be able to assist you appropriately. Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to put this aside I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to give out a unseen exercise, which is what we're going to be looking at today. So what I'm going to ask is that you have a look at the scenario, 10 minutes, and please identify the parties, the possible offences, the possible defences, and then we will discuss your answers in about 35-40 minutes after that. Okay? Please try and do it as individual work. If you must, if you must, you can consult your friends, but we would prefer that you do it as individual work. And as always, please try and use the statute book as much as possible. Okay?